In the heart of the African savanna, where the golden grasses sway in the warm breeze and the acacia trees cast long shadows, a new life was about to begin. The sun had just risen, casting a soft, golden glow across the landscape, when a mother rhinoceros gave birth to her calf. The herd, consisting of about 20 rhinos, gathered around to witness the miracle. The leader of the herd, a wise and old rhino named Kifaru, looked on with pride and hope. The newborn calf, named Tumaini, meaning hope, wobbled on unsteady legs as he took his first steps. His mother, Marahaba, nuzzled him gently, encouraging him to stand tall. The birth of Tumaini brought a sense of joy and optimism to the herd, which had faced many challenges over the years. Poaching, habitat loss, and conflicts with humans had taken their toll, but the arrival of a new calf symbolized a fresh start and a reason to stay positive. As the days passed, Tumaini grew stronger and more curious. He loved to explore the vast plains, always staying close to his mother and the herd. Kifaru often shared stories with Tumaini about their ancestors and the importance of staying positive and optimistic, no matter the circumstances. These stories instilled a sense of resilience in the young calf, preparing him for the challenges that lay ahead. Several months had passed since Tumaini's birth, and he had become a playful and adventurous young rhino. One day, while Tumaini was exploring a nearby watering hole, he noticed something unusual in the distance. A group of humans, equipped with strange devices and tools, was approaching the herd's territory. Tumaini's curiosity was piqued, but Kifaru quickly intervened. "Stay close, Tumaini," Kifaru warned. "These humans can be dangerous. We must remain vigilant." The herd retreated to a safer area, but the humans continued to encroach on their land. They set up camp and began constructing fences and traps. It became clear that these humans were poachers, seeking to harm the rhinos for their valuable horns. Fear and anxiety spread through the herd, threatening to shatter their optimism. Kifaru, sensing the growing unease, gathered the herd for a meeting. "We must stay positive and optimistic," he said. "If we give in to fear, we will lose hope. Together, we can find a way to protect ourselves and our home." Marahaba suggested they seek help from other animals in the savanna. The elephants, known for their strength and intelligence, and the lions, with their keen sense of danger, could be valuable allies. Tumaini, eager to help, volunteered to accompany Kifaru on this important mission. Kifaru and Tumaini set off on their journey, traveling across the vast savanna to seek the aid of their fellow animals. Along the way, they encountered a variety of creatures, each with their own unique skills and strengths. The elephants, led by a wise matriarch named Mama Tembo, agreed to help by using their massive size and strength to dismantle the poachers' traps and fences. The lions, led by the fierce and noble Simba, offered to patrol the perimeter of the rhino's territory, using their sharp senses to detect any signs of danger. The zebras and antelopes, known for their speed and agility, volunteered to act as messengers, relaying information quickly across the savanna. As the alliance formed, Tumaini felt a renewed sense of hope and optimism. The cooperation and unity among the animals demonstrated the power of working together towards a common goal. Kifaru's words echoed in his mind. "Stay positive and optimistic, and we can overcome any challenge." With their new allies in place, the herd returned to their territory, ready to face the poachers with determination and courage. The animals of the savanna worked tirelessly, dismantling traps, destroying fences, and keeping a vigilant watch for any signs of the poachers' return. The poachers, determined to capture the rhinos, intensified their efforts. They brought in more equipment and hired additional hunters, making the situation increasingly dire. However, the alliance of the savanna remained steadfast in their resolve. The elephants, with their immense strength, tore down the fences as quickly as they were built. The lions, with their sharp senses and powerful roars, deterred the poachers from venturing too close. One fateful night, the poachers launched a coordinated attack, hoping to catch the rhinos off guard. The lions, sensing the impending danger, alerted the rest of the alliance. A fierce battle ensued as the animals of the savanna united to protect the rhinos. Tumaini, though still young, displayed incredible bravery, standing alongside his mother and Kifaru to defend their home. Amidst the chaos, Tumaini found himself face to face with a poacher. Fear threatened to overwhelm him. But he remembered Kifaru's teachings. He stood his ground, using his small horn to push back against the poacher. Just as the situation seemed dire, Mama Tembo and her herd of elephants charged in, scattering the poachers and breaking their morale. The battle was long and grueling, but the alliance's unwavering determination and unity prevailed. The poachers, realizing they could not overcome the combined strength of the savanna's inhabitants, retreated in defeat. The animals celebrated their hard-earned victory, knowing that their perseverance and optimism had saved their home. In the aftermath of the battle, the savanna returned to a peaceful state. The poachers had been driven away, and the rhino's territory was safe once more. Tumaini, now a symbol of hope and resilience, continued to grow under the watchful eyes of his mother and Kifaru. The alliance of the savanna remained strong, ready to protect each other from any future threats. Kifaru called a gathering of all the animals to celebrate their victory and to honor the bravery and cooperation that had saved them. "We have shown that by staying positive and optimistic, we can overcome any challenge," Kifaru declared. "Together, we are stronger than any force that seeks to harm us." Tumaini looked around at the assembled animals, feeling a deep sense of gratitude and pride. He knew that the lessons of hope and optimism would guide him throughout his life. As he grew older, Tumaini took on a leadership role within the herd, passing on the wisdom and stories he had learned from Kifaru. Years later, Tumaini stood tall as the leader of the rhino herd, with his own offspring by his side. The savanna thrived, a testament to the power of unity and the enduring spirit of optimism. Tumaini's journey, from a wobbly-legged calf to a wise and courageous leader, inspired all who heard his story. And so, the tale of Tumaini and the rhinos of the savanna was passed down through generations, a reminder that staying positive and optimistic, even in the face of adversity, could lead to a future full of hope and possibility. Moral: stay positive and optimistic, for these qualities can help overcome even the greatest challenges, uniting strength and courage to pave the way for a brighter future.